basically, I bought a car for my little brother. He's been complaining for the longest time. And he doesn't know. So obviously we have to surprise him.
Like now.
Shit. This machine is not anyway close. Let's surprise him when we get in there. I'm gonna obviously get him out. You guys just, you know, so he doesn't know shit. And just make sure he doesn't cover what's going on.
Yeah.
What's the price?
I'll see.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Yo, just black.
Yeah.
Hey, what up, she? What's up?
I agree that most threatening players for me, for both their teams.
Come and show you something. Let's buy. Turn off this thing. Come and show you something. No, listen. The thing is, it's just I want you to think. I know that my uncle's coming tomorrow. And then what's happening is that you have to go open for them at the gate, and the security doesn't allow anybody, you know, almost mask and whatever.
Yeah.
Just wear this one, because I can't find those other normal black ones. Quickly, you must take the card. Where's the card? Here, take. Oh no, they're in the car. But not this car, the other one. Now wear your mask nicely like that.
Why are you blocking my eye?
No, like this, like this. Yeah. Oh shit, I can't open. Gustavo, please open the garage so Marty can go out now. Sorry. No, turn it like this. It's wrong, like this. Turn like this. No, like this. Turn it like this. Like this. Oh yeah, nah. Surprise!
Ah, that's good.
Yeah. Hold on, my boy.
That's enough, boys.
Nah, these are your shoes, man. Check this out. When I see you drive the car, so move this. When I see you drive, move. Hey, fine. Never complain to me about school and shit. We'll stop complaining about school.
Do you know how to drive?
You know.
Bonice again.
Show us. If you can't get out, then we're taking the car back to the dealership. We're selling it back. We're even taking all the shopping we did for you.
Let's see the pool.
Let's see. Come.
Just drive.
Yeah. Well, you must go. Yeah.
Hey! What is up for me now?
Congratulations. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, we approve you.
Ah, nice point. Nice. That's it. Nice one. How's that not finished?
Yeah.
Always go. When all you have why?
Every morning. Don't
I wanna
wake me
make
up.
a jig.
Stop waking me up.
I don't know magic chica.
Pull it off.
Yeah, episode.